I've got an itch I can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole.
What's up, man? Damn,
Welcome, my dude.
What's good, man?
Welcome to my channel.
Hey, what's up? Okay, you live? Oh, you should've
No,
told
I'm not
me.
live.
Alright, dude.
So where are we going?
Go on. Let's go.
By the way, this is Walter.
How you doing? Good afternoon. Alright, but you might want to cut that off.
Yo, it's like
We going up Chada Grande.
it's like 90-something degrees,
Yeah, it's hard as shit outside.
and you got a scully on.
Yeah, it's baldness. When we go to the countryside, it won't be like this.
All right, we're going this way.
Yeah.
So Walter, you used to live in the U.S.
Yes.
Where?
Dorchester, Boston.
Boston proper or around Boston?
Boston, probably. Dorchester, up Amp's Corner.
Okay.
Heart of the Boston.
So, how long did you live there?
Say 20 years. My whole childhood. Like 7 years old.
So, you came back to Cape Verde, and you were deported.
Yeah.
Now, let me ask you this, because I read a statistic that 20 or 40%, I forget specifically if it was 20 or 40%, but it was either 20 or 40 people that get deported didn't even commit a crime, not only from the US but from Europe. But there's a stigma with deportees once they arrive here. Is that
Especially
true?
Americans. Hell yeah.
Especially Americans.
Hell yeah.
So, has there been times that you felt you were treated differently?
No, yeah. At first, they start to judge you. You're deported. They start to assume things about you without knowing what really happened out there. First thing they come, he came from the States, or he bodied somebody, he killed somebody, or he did a lot of this and that.
When in Massachusetts, the federal court system is not as backed up as in New York, they deport you for any little thing. Because the stories I hear, back in Jersey, which is, my area is like 20 minutes from New York City, like, they're not going to deport you for suspended driving license, stuff like that.
Not even in the States. They didn't really deport. They deport you for, like, when I was there, they deported you for aggravated or felony. You had to have an aggravated or felony. If you had an aggravated felony, that's a red flag. That's considered a red flag. That's a deport. They could deport you for that.
Well, I knew this guy.
But now I don't really know.
He got caught driving under the influence twice. Got caught with drugs, and he assaulted somebody with a gun.
Oh, that's.
And it still took 18 months to get him out of there.
Yeah, because he probably fight, lawyer. Normally, that's how long it takes for you to come on here.
No, but I'm not. He wasn't Cape Verde. So, yeah, that's the kind of stuff. So it took him a while, even after driving under the influence. Not once, but twice. Even after getting caught with drugs, getting arrested, nothing. So,
Cape Verde too. Like, for you, it's probably easier now. But even back then, you had to commit a lot of things for them to send you. Like, before, like, I think Bill Clinton changed his bill. Before Bill Clinton changed the bill, you had to do something. Your jail time have to be at least 5 years. Had to be worth at least 5 years for you to be considered deported. And then when Bill Clinton, I guess in '96, changed it to 1 year. So if you commit a crime that's worth that you could get jailed for over a year, 365 days to be exact, then you available for deportation. One aggravated felony, you could get deported.
So, how was your adaptation?
Oh, I love it out here.
No, but initially.
Initially, yeah, it was a little rough. No. First 2 years, I got bored out of my mind. Just wake up doing the same thing I didn't know. I was trying to find something to do. And like, it's nothing what it is now, like how you see now.
Right.
Now it's way
Praia
more
was smaller.
involved.
Wasn't as developed.
Yeah, it wasn't as developed. So
because I saw some pictures.
even with the internet, like for me to speak to my family, I could speak to my pick the phone, my number, and then talk to whoever I
Right,
want to
now
call.
it's different.
Back then, you buy what it was called a calling card. Internet here was rough, but now you get internet all over Praia.
Even in the US, 20. How long you been here? 20 years?
No, 14.
14.
I came in
So
2007.
14. So 2007, that's when the iPhone was launched.
Yeah.
So not even in the US, most people had the iPhone.
Yeah, like
The original
exactly.
iPhone.
I remember because when I came, we had the flip phones, man.
Yeah. Well, it was.
She's over here, Vizon.
It was the same thing. All right.